I'm here at Mall of Asia and ipapakita ko yung mga project natin dito sa tapat ni MOA. So as you can see, that is C Residences and then sa likod niyan guys is si S Residences. Ito naman yung ating ICE Tower which is office residential of SMDC. And sa kabila naman is si Shell Residences. And then this is the connecting bridge papunta kay Mall of Asia. So kung ikaw ay may unit dito sa tapat ni MOA, ayan, very convenient kasi tatawid ka lang sa bridge na yan. Ayan na, makakapag-shopping ka na and makakapaglibang ka na. And after Shell Residences, we have Sail Residences. And this is the construction update. And then that is Shore 3 and then Shore 1. Sa likod ni Shore 1 guys is si Shore 2.